early on, your videos won't get much traction because YouTube doesn't know who to recommend them to yet. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help boost your views. Immediate steps to get more views. Optimize your title. Thumbnail. Make sure your title is engaging and includes keywords like "make money on YouTube," even with 0 subscribers. Your thumbnail should have big, clear text and good contrast. Improve click-through rate, CTR. If your video isn't getting clicks, try testing a new thumbnail and title. You can A/B test thumbnails by changing them after a few hours and seeing if views increase. Share your video everywhere, post in relevant Facebook groups, Reddit communities, and on your Instagram and Twitter. Share in forums related to YouTube growth or making money online. Leverage YouTube Shorts. Make a short related to your video and tell viewers to check out the full version. Shorts get way more reach early on and can drive traffic to your main video. Engage with the first viewers, ask your friends or community to watch, like, and comment. This boosts early engagement. Reply to every comment to keep the engagement going. Check audience retention, improve. If people drop off quickly, your hook, first 10 seconds, may need improvement. Try asking a question or making a bold statement at the start to grab attention. Long-term strategy. Be consistent. Growth happens over time, not overnight. Learn from your analytics. Which part of the video do people drop off at? Adjust accordingly. Keep improving your thumbnails, titles, and video structure with each upload. Your first videos may struggle, but that's how every YouTuber starts. Keep going and your views will increase.